Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. But this is your bonus love reading for the month of November 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. You can also let me know in the comment sections if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, please give me the important messages for my lovely Aquarius for the month of November 2021, which is important to deliver. Dolphin is very much highlighted in today's reading, and messages: do not worry at all Aquarius, be happy. Okay, so you can connect with Dolphin too. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius for the month of November? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Think big for your future potential. First message for you is that you need to think big for your future. You have that potential, Aquarius, that you can think big for your future. So first message is this. Second message is that nurture your relationship, friendships. So you have to nurture your relationships, either it is friendships, either is personal relationships or your family relationships. You need to nurture your relationships. Third one is unicorn, invite serendipity. So this is very beautiful here. You can invite unicorn. Okay. The fourth message for you is battle of the blues. Take steps towards positive change. Okay. So you need to take steps in a forward direction towards the positive change. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from Osho Zen Tarot deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please give me the important messages for my lovely Aquarius. You need to open up to receive. Okay, be open to receive, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Be more playful. Playfulness is required. See, maturity is coming. You're becoming more mature than before, and be more playful here. Okay, don't be so serious. Be like a childlike energy. Be like a joker. Play with the energy, because some kind of tower moment is happening here with the divine intervention, the thunderbolt. This is the divine intervention, and tower is always good, because when we have to make necessary and compulsory change in our life and we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situations so that we can make that necessary changes in our life. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. The universe is with you. Okay, the divine is with you. You need to let go anything which is not serving your highest good. Okay, maybe right now you're feeling like an aloneness. Okay, you're feeling like alone, but do not worry. You are the master of your life. Okay, you can create whatever you want to, and there's a lot of abundance which is coming up for you, Aquarius. Maybe in the dream you are getting to see your past life, the person with whom you are spending this lifetime. Okay, this person is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. You both have spent many past lives together. Maybe this person is coming up in your dreams, or this is your dream that you want to get married with this person, or you want to get settled with this person. You feel like this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame, because you both have spent many past lives together here. Okay, you both have spent many past lives together. That's why this person comes in your dreams. Okay, some of you are traveling somewhere here, or this is also a new chapter of your life which you are starting here, Aquarius. Okay, let me see any other message. Release all the burden which you are carrying here. Okay, there's a lot of messages. No, I'm not going to take it. Let any other message for Aquarius. No, that's it. Okay, so maybe you are going to start a new chapter of your life, Aquarius. Okay, a new journey, a new chapter. If you are traveling somewhere, then it's very good, but if you're not traveling somewhere, then it's a new chapter which is going to start in your life. So this is the message which I received here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see messages from the fortune reading cards for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow. New beginnings, directions, adventure are waiting for those who let go of the past. You are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead. The luck is on your side, Aquarius, and there are new beginnings, new solution. The key is within you. Okay, you are getting the keys, new beginnings, new directions, new adventures which are waiting up for you here, Aquarius. But you need to let go of the past, and yes, you are letting go of the past. That's why new beginning is coming up for you. There is fire, let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the present here. There is snake, your intuition and healing powers will guide you to breathe to a better end, but be careful here, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is pay attention to your intuition at this time and move ahead confidently. The moon energy is here. Okay. So let me see. Bottom of the deck I'm having beware. 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Beware. Be careful who you trust at this time, Aquarius. Okay. So you have to be careful while you trust. And there is angels here. Your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. So you are not alone. Your angels are guiding you and are protecting you in your spiritual journey. So this is beautiful. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see more messages for you from the Energy Oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Victory is coming. Action. There is rest and rejuvenate. Wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having happy family, happy life. Okay. This is happy family, happy life. 4 of Wands, 10 of Cups energy. You're going to start a new family with someone here. You're walking away from the hostilities. That means that you're walking away from anyone, anything which is not good for you. You're walking away from those energies. Now the door to spirit, door to personal healing and happiness is opening up for you. Okay, your door to personal healing and happiness, door to spirit is opening up. You're going to get a lot of appreciation in your life, getting success, appreciation, victory here. Right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. 4 of Swords energy is here. You are going to take action in a forward direction. This is the Chariot energy, Aquarius. Okay, now you know what is right, what is wrong for you, what is white and what is black. So you're going to take action in a forward direction here. And yes, the action is being taken towards victory. So victory is coming towards you, Aquarius. Can you see? So you're going to get victory here in your life. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the crazy, sexy love notes. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What is the messages? What are the messages you want me to deliver? Please give me the messages. Celebrate your love. Okay, let me see one more message. Decide is the message here. It's time to make a decision. Being on the fence drains your energy, Aquarius. No matter what you choose, it will be the exact right thing for your spiritual path. Okay, channel your energy, be decisive, learn, grow and decide. So you have to take a decision, Aquarius, and it's the perfect time for making a decision here. Then there is celebrate your love. When we cherish our beloved, the bond grows stronger. We create deeper levels of trust, intimacy and friendship. It's all too easy to get comfortable and put your relationship on cruise control. So spice it up instead. Do something special and spontaneous. And if you are currently looking for your soulmate, take yourself out for a fun date. The happier and more connected you are to yourself, the more attractive you will be to others. Okay. So these are the two messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Divine Abundance Oracle cards. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Self-love. Let the wall fall that separates me from my own vulnerable inner child. I long to take care of myself like never before. You have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Connect with your inner child. Self-love is required here. Okay, so love yourself first here. So self-love is indicated for you. That's the message I'm receiving here. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message for you from the fairies. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message? Music. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories and chant fairies to your door. So there is a message. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the recording reading time. This is very important message for you, Aquarius. Listen to the music. Maybe there is a message in music. So listen to the music. It will help you out to heal your soul. Okay. And invite fairies into your life. So this is the message from the fairies. Thank you, fairies, for giving the messages. Let me add one message from Super Attractor. Let me see. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? What is the message? Please give me one message. Okay, I got two. It's good to feel good. Okay, it's good to feel good. Then there is spiritual alignments. Put my manifestation into motion. So you can take a screenshot of these two and you can use this Super Attractor affirmations. Okay. So this is very beautiful affirmations. Thank you for giving the affirmations. Now let me add some healing mantra from the healing mantra deck. Thank you for giving the messages. And these healing mantra will help you out in your spiritual journey, Aquarius. First card fallout is liberating love. I allow myself to receive all the fulfillment I am willing to give. So that's the first message which I received for you. Let me see one more message. Please give me one more card for Aquarius. Saying no. Okay, so there is only one message for you, and that is liberating love, which is I allow myself to receive all the fulfillment I'm willing to give. 1441 is the recording reading time. Thank you. Now let me see messages from the Grace cards. Please give me one messages for Aquarius. First one is direction. Look for the clues. Grace will lead us to the exact events and experience we need at precisely at the right time. So you have to look at the clues, follow your intuitions, look at the signs and synchronicities and the guidance which is available for you from the divine, from the angels, from the universe. The second message is shine. Step up into the light. You are a gift to the world, Aquarius. This is very beautiful message. So these are the two messages which I received. Now let me add one message from Everyday Miracles. Too many. Please give me one message. It says, God will for me is a perfect happiness. Today I wake up with joy, expecting but the happy things of God to come to me. So this is the beautiful message which I received for you, and this is very beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the nature spirits, and this deck is so beautiful. Seriously, I love this deck. Now let's see what is the message you want me to deliver. Owl medicine. This is beautiful. This is all about the intuitions, okay? Wisdom, illumination, intuition, clairvoyance, and deep insight abound. Go within. Profound mastery and grace is available into you simply by pulling your awareness inward. Ancient knowledge is emerging within you. You know the truth. Trust your perception. You are a truth seeker and truth sharer. Nurture the feminine spirit within you. So this is very powerful message, Aquarius. You need to trust your intuitions. Again and again I'm giving this message to you. Okay. Now let me add one message from the crystal spirits, and then I'm going to close out your reading. This is very beautiful reading. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Please give me one message which is important to deliver for Aquarius. This is Apathy Tears. Maybe I'm correctly pronouncing it. Apathy Tears. Okay. A-P-A-C-H-E Tears. Let me read it out. This say you need to let go of grief, recovering from the past, releasing pain so old wounds heal. So you can use this crystal if you want to let go of the grief, sadness, regrets, guilt, and you want to recover from the past, you want to release, and you want to heal your old wound. Okay, so you can use this crystal. It will help you out in healing that. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of November 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all those who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.